Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And once again, this is the 1-day chart. We're sitting here just above 58 cents. We came crashing down with Bitcoin. And you know, I keep seeing all these people saying, I lost so much money on XRP. The only way you lost money is if you sold. Because on the 1-year chart, we are still up just under 60%. Think about that. You know, a year ago from today, we were sitting under 40 cents for XRP. And we all know what's coming next. XRP is going to start to take off now. And a lot of people are already calling for $1 plus by the end of March. But Bitcoin also made a new all-time high today. It reached $69,000. Now, could you imagine being a new investor coming into crypto for the first time, buying Bitcoin at 68K to watch it hit a new all-time high and come crashing down? Or you could be that XRP investor that just sits on the sidelines patiently waiting for XRP to make its new all-time high, which is absolutely coming. And you know, one thing I want to point out here is I honestly thought XRP was going to come closer to 50 cents. I was ready to buy more XRP today. One day you will look back and wish you bought more XRP. Every single one of us will be saying that at some point. Wait until XRP hits 3 digits, or wait until it hits 50 bucks. You know, everybody's going to say, man, I wish I could go back to when XRP was sitting at 58 cents. I would have bought a hell of a lot more of it when I had the chance. Every single XRP investor is going to have that regret one day. Wait and see. Some people are going to regret selling too soon as well. So BRICS unveils new system that will be based on crypto. ISO 222 implementation is accelerating development of BRICS new system. And ISO recognized cryptocurrencies will achieve higher trading volumes and will gain widespread adoption. Connections no one else will make. You know, they're telling you right here that they're going to use ISO cryptocurrencies. Not just XRP, but that would be XLM, XDC. I honestly think BRICS is going to use XDC when it comes to transactions around digital trade in the future. And that's why I think XDC has a great future ahead of it as well. But they're definitely going to utilize XRP. You already see all of Ripple's ties inside of BRICS. XRP is already being utilized inside of some of BRICS countries. Infrastructure for blockchain adoption has been set. In one way or another, Ripple is connected to the payment infrastructure of every major BRICS member. You see Travelex Bank in Brazil, Ripple ODL partner. Russia, ISO timeline. You know, when it comes to Russia, I think Russia's been working with Ripple in the background for a long period of time now. I think it goes back to all the way back to like 2015, 2016. I think even Russia accelerating back in 2022 was thanks to Ripple as well. India, Yes Bank, and FIS. You see China, Tranglo, Temenos, South Africa, First Rand, and Standard Bank. And then even the new countries that are joining the BRICS now. Also, Ripple has payment rails set up there as well. You know, all the connections have been made over time. And if it wasn't Ripple directly, it was partners of Ripple. But you know, everybody will say the same thing. They're never going to use Ripple. Ripple user D-Money has connected with Ally Pay and WeChat for remittances in China. They use many services, including Visa Direct, so not a confirmation of XRP or Ripple use, but bears watching. Most likely, D-Money will utilize RippleNet and XRP as well for remittances in China. If they're not using it today, they will definitely use it in the future. But like I said, people always think like this. You think they will use a US-based company. Nope, they will not, man. They want to destroy the US, so XRP will not be their solution. Mark my words. You have no idea what you're talking about. Ripple is more important than the United States government. Just like Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Google, Apple are bigger than the United States government as far as worldwide importance. Like I said, Ripple is a global company. You know, everybody always likes to deny that the BRICS will utilize RippleNet. Think about it like this. You know what the BRICS don't want to use? SWIFT. They want an alternative to SWIFT. What's the best alternative? RippleNet. And plus, they get the secret sauce with it, that on-demand liquidity and XRP. You know, it's just a matter of time. Once all the rails are set, this system's going to go live, and all of a sudden, we are going to see XRP achieve numbers we could only dream of. XRP already chosen by the IMF and BIS as stablecoin with price over thousands of dollars to be used for international trade payments between USA Plus and BRICS Plus in the next year. Top 5 reasons to own XRP. Real-world utility with big banks and corporations. Many financial institutions and companies are partnering with Ripple to use the XRP token for cross-border payments and international transactions. This real-world adoption gives XRP a strong use case and increases its potential value. When it comes to real-world use case, that's what's going to keep certain cryptocurrencies around once regulations come. Because if your cryptocurrency doesn't have any utility or use case, it is not going to survive the coming regulations. And they're going to be global crypto regulations. It's faster, cheaper, and greener than Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP transactions are much faster and cheaper than those of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The XRP ledger is also more environmentally friendly as it doesn't rely on energy-intensive mining like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you also got to look at the way the narrative is being pushed all around the world right now. It's all about climate change and going green. XRP fits the bill there as well. And that's why countries will choose to use it. Legal clarity and not a security. XRP is the only digital asset in the US with legal clarity, as it has been officially declared not a security by the SEC. This provides a level of assurance for investors and users of the token. Now, when it comes to legal clarity, I don't think we've seen the full value come from that yet. That is still going to come. You know, we pumped up a little bit, you know, when we got legal clarity. But then XRP came back down. And I think it was because Ripple has still not broke free completely from the SEC. And most companies, most financial institutions here in the United States don't want to have any problems with the SEC. But once Ripple gets that final clarity, I'm talking about when the settlement happens, and then the SEC worries are gone. Watch how fast we see announcement after announcement from banks and big corporations here in the United States working with Ripple and utilizing XRP. Potential for central bank digital currencies. Ripple is working on creating private ledgers to address central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Now, I'm not a fan of CBDCs, but, you know, they're coming, whether we like it or not. You know, we're retail investors. We need to start thinking like institutional investors. We need to start thinking like the central banks are thinking. Everybody wants to push into the digital age. They want digital money and digital transactions. They want it to be fast, cheap, and secure. So their best option is to utilize something like RippleNet and XRP. They're also going to need XRP as a trust layer in between two CBDCs. No matter how you look at this, we win as XRP holders. Then there's the strong community and development. The XRP community, known as the XRP Army, is very active and dedicated to the token's success. You know, there's no other community like the XRP community inside of crypto. You know, along the way, I've seen so many predictions come from people. And, you know, I learned a lot along the way from this XRP community. But, you know, the narratives, every time XRP moves even a little bit, all those old narratives come back. And that's what keeps people holding this cryptocurrency. It's all those what if moments. What if XRP does hit those $10,000 price points? What if it breaks 589 in the near future? Nobody wants to not be holding XRP. Everybody wants to be holding it because nobody knows the full potential of XRP yet. Because now any price point that we ever talked about in the past has to change because the value changed through tokenization, custody, carbon credits. You know, when we were talking about 589, back then, that was just Ripple stealing business away from Swift. Now there's so many other avenues of value that are going to come to the XRP ledger. That all has to be priced in as well. Wait until Bitcoin is being tokenized on the XRP ledger. I absolutely think that is coming also. Ripple partner Tranglo asked whether XRP can reach $1 and refers to the chart of Dark Defender, who shows that it could already happen in March. Like I said, a lot of people are calling it to happen in March, but it's really funny that Tranglo is asking when XRP is going to reach $1. They all know it's coming. All of Ripple's partners know it's coming. You know, we are going to see a new all-time high, in my opinion, in 2024. And at the same time, we're going to watch crypto change forever through regulations as well. People are still saying that's years away. They're going to get trapped inside of meme coins. Wait and see. It's going to happen. But, you know, as an XRP investor, the way I look at it is like this. We still are waiting for a new all-time high. Bitcoin just achieved a new all-time high. Do you want to invest in something that already reached its all-time high this year? Or do you want to invest in something that's going to reach its new all-time high this year? And that's why I like XRP. That's why I'm always bullish on XRP. But until it all happens, stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.